We are going to take a look at a 2004 Butfering Steelmaster Prima W309 wide belt disc grinding and deburring machine with 4,888 hours. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Butfering Steelmaster Prima W309 wide belt disc grinding and deburring machine has 3 stations. The master hour meter reading is 4,888 run hours for these stations. The first station is a helical grooved 8-inch drum for grinding, graining with multiple speed. The second and third are oscillating heads with rotary brushes, one running clockwise and the other counterclockwise. The variable speed conveyor drive will run from 5 to 35 feet per minute. The paper media filtration closed loop coolant system has a paper media filter mounted underneath the sander for a more compact footprint. Everything is controlled by a graphically controlled supported color 5.7-inch touchscreen with 1,000 programs. On the outfeed, you will find an air knife drying system.